Prime Minister Narendra Modi says all athletes at Paris Olympics have given their best and every Indian is proud of them. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on World Elephant Day appreciated community efforts to protect elephants. He expressed appreciation for the rise in the number of elephants over the years. Prime Minister Narendra Modi to share his thoughts in Mann Ki Baat program on Akashvani on 25th August. The Border Roads Organization reconstructed Sikkim's Indrani bridge connecting northern region of the state to the rest of the country. Election Commission of India (ECI) visits Haryana to monitor and review preparation for upcoming assembly polls.